In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files in Basecamp. Uploading files is one of the core things you'll do in Basecamp, whether you're sharing design assets, documents, spreadsheets, or screenshots with your team. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process from the moment you open Basecamp all the way to successfully posting your files so everyone who needs them can access them. First, open Basecamp and navigate to the specific project where you want to add your files. Think of each project as its own workspace, with its own set of tools and information. Make sure you're in the correct project so your files end up in the right place and are visible to the right people. Once you're inside the project, look for the tool called Docs and Files. This is usually represented by an orange icon. Go ahead and click that. This area is your central library for project documents. Anything you upload here will stay organized and easy to find later, instead of getting buried in message threads. Now it's time to start the upload. In the top left corner, you'll see a button labeled New, usually with a plus sign next to it. Click on that and then choose Upload Files from the menu that appears. This will open a window where you can browse your computer and select the files you want to upload. If you prefer a faster method, you can also drag files directly from your computer into the Docs and Files area in your browser. Just open your File Explorer or desktop, select the files you want, and drop them into the Basecamp window. Both methods work the same. It just depends on what feels more natural to you. After you've chosen your files, Basecamp will give you options to add more details. This is where you can give the file a clear name so teammates instantly know what it is. You can also add notes or a short description, which is helpful for explaining context, like what changed in this version or what you want others to review. You'll also see notification options. Use these to control who gets notified about this upload so the right people are alerted without spamming everyone. When everything looks good, finish up by clicking the green Add this file or Post button. Basecamp will upload your files and add them to the Docs and Files area of your project. Once it's done, your team can view, download, and comment on them, keeping everything organized in one place.